Hey everybody, good morning, Rob Muffet. Guys, somebody asked me in my videos about the Ancheer Gladiator I bought 2 years ago, if I'm still riding it and how do I still like it. So this is just a quick, very quick 2-year update of the Ancheer Gladiator I got at Walmart for about $450 2 years ago. I have about 1,000 miles on it, about, I guess about 8 or 9 miles a week. I ride at least once a week consistently. So what is happening with the bicycle? What are the problems I've had? I did have initially one problem with the battery. When I first got the bicycle, I was worried about charging up the battery. I kept reading about fires with the battery, so I wanted the battery separate from the bicycle. That way, if it caught on fire, I could easily throw it out the window or something. I had a little bag I could put it in that was kind of fire resistant. After a while, I calmed down. I left the battery on the bicycle and continued to charge it while it's on the bicycle. And that is a good idea because for a while I had a problem with the battery. It wasn't working. And I was trying to find a replacement battery and I had a difficult time getting any feedback or information from the manufacturer. It took like a couple of weeks before they gave me any information. I was able to find a battery, but I did some more reading on the problem and I realized that maybe the little connectors, when you take this battery out, there are some little prongs that connect into it with other prongs, and they were bent, I think, by putting the battery back in and out all the time. And so I just took some needle nose pliers and made them back to the right size. So I fixed the battery by just altering the size of the prongs that are in there and the connections of the battery. And haven't had any more issues with the battery. When I come home, I use it once a week. I don't charge it the same day when I come home. I usually wait a couple of days and charge. I charge to 100%. People say that's a problem, but I haven't had any problems. I only go for about an hour and a quarter, maybe an hour and a half, and I never have the bars go down any. It usually takes about an hour and 15 minutes to charge back up. That is the most I've ridden it, like an hour and a half at one time. The other issue I had is I was listening to my MP3 player while I was out on very low volume, but still it was loud enough where I couldn't hear the tire rubbing on the wire that goes to the battery, and it wore the wires into. That is really the only issues I've had. The brakes still work good. However, the brakes are making a squeaky noise because I guess they're dirty from the dust and stuff from the brake. I need to fix that. I purchased a very inexpensive Schwinn helmet from the Salvation Army, or maybe it was Goodwill, because you can't sell these on eBay, so they're easy to find for really good prices because nobody buys to resell them, so they just stack up at that home or Goodwill and the Salvation Army. That was like $3 or $4. I purchased some glasses from Home Depot for like $1.49. So that takes care of your head and your eyes. I have a little timer to remind me that I'm charging, so I don't leave it on all day long. When the timer goes off, I realize I can unplug the battery. It's probably done by now. I purchased bags. That helps a lot. I have a rack that helps a lot, and a lock. What else did I purchase? Oh, mirrors. Nobody uses mirrors. I think they're crucial. The seat is, after a while, it becomes comfortable. Well, it's not comfortable, but it's fine. It's not a problem at all. It's been a workhorse. It's never failed me. I've been out in the rain a couple times. It's just one of the best things I bought in the last 2 years, I think. I could put it on the bus because it weighs almost 50 pounds. 50 pounds is the limit for the buses to put on the rack. It's just been a great bike. It's been a fantastic bike. I have one of my favorite subscribers. He has an identical model. He was using his to go to work every day, back and forth. He put 8,000 miles on his. So I don't think I got very much satisfaction from customer service from the company, but eventually they did reply, but it wasn't it wasn't up to my expectations at all. But the bike itself, it's been a bargain. It's been an absolute bargain. I would recommend it highly. And oh, by the way, the tires are still going strong. I need to put some slime in there in case I get a flat. But yeah, it can be a little top heavy. So a couple times it fell over, even though the kickstand was down right and everything. I know I'm leaving something out, but I think you get the idea. It's been a good buy, a good deal. and I hope I have many more years of fun riding around every week. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.